Two ways to uninstall apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio. In today's guide I'll show you two different easy ways of how you can uninstall any apps from your Samsung Galaxy phone. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to uninstall any apps, the very first way to do that, you just need to swipe up and get into the app library. Now go ahead and find out the app that you want to uninstall. So let's say I'm going to install the Gboard. Now to do that, you just need to press and hold this one, and this will pop up a few different options. You'll get to see the uninstall. You can tap on uninstall button and you can go ahead and tap on OK, and the app will be uninstalled from your device. But there's another process that you can do. All you have to do, you just need to go to the Play Store. So I'm going to open up the Play Store here. Now once you're here inside the Play Store, you just need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right, and then go ahead and tap on Manage Apps and Devices. And once you do that, you'll get to see the few different options. You just need to go to the Manage tab. Inside this one, this is going to show you all the apps that you have on your device. So just simply go ahead and select those apps that you want to uninstall. And once you have selected that, at the top right you'll get to see the delete button. You can tap on delete and you'll get to see the uninstall. Go and tap on install and the app will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall apps on any Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.